Hello everyone. So now it's time to continue our video classes about AutoCAD. So in this video I will use PDF file practice number 10, which is we already using. So we already finished these two samples, so now it's time to draw the third one, this one, with big circle. So let's open another document, another file, and then let's check some dimensions, and then I will drop the file to our workspace. The bigger radius I think should be, here is like diameters 370 millimeters, so let's put it with diameters 370 millimeters done. So I can put it to right side our workspace. So now I can just drop the file to our left side our workspace. So second one, page number is second, so let's put it like this. The rotation you can put just 0. Done. So let's check the scale. As you can see, it's a little bit different, so we can just change it by going to properties of this file. Let's put 100, and then we can check it again, compare it again. So as you can see, almost same. So now we can start. We already draw the biggest circle here with diameter 370. I can just put center mark on it, and then what I will do, I will draw these small ones. So first one is with 70 millimeters, diameter is 70 millimeters, so I will to put here D. Sorry, I think I made a mistake again. So if the diameter is 70, so radius will be 35. I put it. So as you can see, here is like outer one also. So how can we check the size of like this second circle? There is no. This one is another one. This one is another one. Let's build another circles, and then we can find this one. Here 79.2 millimeters. So let's build it with diameter 79.2. Done. Now it's time to build this part of our detail. First of all, let's put these like 6 holes on our detail. What will we do is, first of all, we need to create this central line with circle. So which is the dimension is, where is the dimension for this line? So I think there is no like exact dimension of this line, so we can create it by thinking. If you can see, here is the diameter is like 8.6 millimeters, so the radius will be 4.3. so I think we can put this circle, the second bigger circle, we can just take the maybe 10 from this number. We can just build another circle. So in this case I need to put diameter and 360. So if you check, it's quite small. Let's put like 350, diameter 350. Now it's, I think, okay. I don't know the exact dimension here, so I am putting just by my imagine, so don't worry, it's not so serious. We need to change type of line. in this point, and then I will build these like small circles which diameter is like 8.6. done. And then I can just choose it, select it using polar array, this part, and then I need to select center. As you can see, there is like already 6 small circles. I need to press enter. Done. So now it's time to build this part of our details. So what will we do? As you can see, here is the radius with 32.5. let's build this circle also. So 42.5. so it's now the biggest one in here, the first, second and third one. And then let's build this one, the bigger one, which is radius like 150.5. so radius is 150. done. So now it's time to build this part. So what can we do now? As you can see, here is the degree of this angle, which is like 12 degrees. I can just draw the line like this or like this. I need to put 12 degrees, and then I will just draw it until here, and then I will use trim tool to delete this extra small line. Then I will start copying it. I will copy it with mirror tool and symmetrically like this. I will press enter. I will choose this one also using mirror tool like this. Done. So now I need to rotate it with copying. I will choose rotate, rotate. I need to choose center of rotation, so done. It's parallel like this. And then now we can just copy it with mirror tool symmetrically. This I can select this one also. I hope I am doing right. So now, as you can see, we finished this part. We will use trim tool again to delete these parts. Delete it carefully, don't touch these small circles. Like this. This part. Now it's time to use like fillet tool, because we need to put it fillet here with radius 10. Fillet tool, radius 10. If you choose this kind of place, it will be fillet. You need to choose two like lines. First one is circle, second one is this line. We need to do same action in 4 parts. In this place, what you can do is you can build just one part of these 4 figures, and you can just copy it. But in this case, I chose doing it one by one. And then using trim tool, I will delete extra lines, of course. Don't forget from here, and here, this part. I forgot to put fillet here, sorry. it's already 10 millimeters. So now it's time to compare our details. I will just change the color of center marks, and then you can compare it. I think the same stuff, but as you remember, we don't know that this radius of this center line, so we just put by our imagine. So now it's time to put dimensions on it, so it will be assignment for you. Thank you very much.